Hey friends, we're going to have a quick video on how to complete this table. So first of all, this is simple interest. So we are simply going to take the $5,000 and multiply it by the 6%. So let's take $5,000 and multiply it by 6%. And that's going to be $300. So right here, we have $300. Then we're going to take the $5,000 and we're going to add it to $300. And when the year ends, there will be $5,300 in the account. And the thing is from that point forward, we're going to add $300 every time. So now we're going to take 5,300 and add it to 300. And that's going to get us 5,600. And we're going to add 300 to that and get 5,900. So because the interest is simple, every time we add interest, we're just going to add the initial $300 because it always comes from the $5,000 times 6%. That's what simple interest is. Simple interest simply means you're going to take this amount of money and you're going to add it every time. So the bank account is growing by $300 every time. Okay? When we move to compound interest, it begins exactly the same. When we start with compound interest, again, we're going to take 5,000 times 6%. And when we do that, again, just like we did the first time, we're going to get $300. And then when we add 5,000 to $300, we're going to get $5,300. So the very first year, it doesn't matter if it's compound or simple interest. The same thing's going to happen because the very first year, it's $5,000 times 6%. But then the next year is when it's different. Because it's compound, it's now going to use this number, $5,300. We're going to take $5,300, and that's what we're going to multiply by 6%. So we're going to go times 6%. And that's going to give us $318. So because it is compounded, you see, we actually get a larger number than we did previously. So we're going to take that $318 and we're going to add it to the $5,300 that was in the account. And when we do that, we get $5,618.00. So you see it's growing faster because it's compounded. So now we're going to take that number, $5,618, times 6%. So on our calculator, we're just going to hit times 6%. And we're going to get $337.08. $337.08. And this is probably a good time to point out to you that your mode should always be on the 2. That way, when we do our answer, we get it in cents, not extra digits. So now we're going to take that $337.08 and add it to the amount of money that was in the account last year. So we're going to go plus 5618. And I usually like to look up here because the number's closer than looking over here. Okay, just my eyes moving from here to here, I'll make a mistake. But my eyes moving from here to here, I'll get that right. So that's going to be $5,995.08. And then we're going to take that answer that's on our display and we're going to multiply it by 6%. So we're going to go times 6%. And we find out that the next year, our interest grew. Our interest grew to $357.30. And then we're going to add that to our previous answer. So then we're just going to go plus, and we're going to add it to $5,955 and 8 cents. And find out that at the end of 4 years, we will have $6,352.38. So you see it's growing faster because it's compounded interest. Compounded interest uses these numbers to find the interest, whereas simple interest uses only this number. All right, my friends, that is how we do that. If you have any questions, please ask in class.